Hello and welcome to Bay Area Nightlife and Entertainment. I'm DJ Rockstar, your host, and this is your online video guide to all of the happenings in Bay Area Nightlife and Entertainment. For the week of June the 3rd, check out what we got coming. Fresh with DJ Curall in the mix, dropping the hip-hop, reggae, dancehall, 80s, 90s, and more. Friday night in Walnut Creek. Nicole Claymoon's Embodiment Project presents Of Her Rib, running Friday through Sunday at Dance Mission Theater in San Francisco. This Saturday, DJ Rockstar presents Saturday Night Fever at Kingman's Ivy Room in Albany, dropping the R&B, soulful house, and more. Next week at Kuya, Danica and Green Bee present superstar Deli Ranks in his one and only Bay Area performance, Wednesday night at Soam Bar. Next Sunday, Eclectic with DJ Rockstar at Skylark Bar in San Francisco, 9:30 to 2 a.m., no cover, and drink specials. That's our show for today. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to check out the Kuya ladies on Wednesday down at Soam. You can check me out every other Tuesday at Lucky Lounge, doing my event called Stepping Out with DJ Rockstar. Lots more to come. Stay tuned. Be safe. Peace, love, and body rock.